From country towns to city streets, looking for Australia's best eat. One bite tells the whole story. I'm looking for food to share on my eat.
Welcome back to Mike Eats. Today we are in Parramatta Square, right in the middle of Parramatta, and we've just been to the Wingstop, as you probably saw in the intro. Now they've got this special on for $9.95. You get 3 pieces of chicken or 3 wings. I actually decided to get the pieces of chicken, and then you can pick your sauce and you get chips with it and all sorts of stuff. So what I picked is 3 pieces of boneless chicken and hot honey flavour, 1 snack size Parmesan seasoned chips, the range sauce, and that was $9.95. So let's see what we get for our money. This here is how it comes in a big massive bag, so let's have a look what's inside. Well, that was disappointing. You've got a bag that big and that's all that's in it. And you've got a small range sauce. And I'm assuming that might be the seasoning. And that's it. This here is what it looks like. You get 3 little pieces of chicken. A little bit like chicken nuggets, I guess. So that's them there. And you get a few chips. So it's not a lot, but then again it's only $9.95 and you're right in the middle of Parramatta Square. I know what that is. These are wipes. They are hand wipes. So let's try a chip. They're good, Parmesan flavoured. And they are skin on chips, as you can see there. The ranch sauce is really, really good. Really good. Let's try the chicken without any sauce.
From country towns to city streets, looking for Australia.
Wow, the hot honey chicken is really good. Really, really, really good. If you like hot honey, you will love this. They have a lot of different flavours there, but this is the one that stood out to me. Let's have it with some ranch. Wow, that is really nice. Chips are really good. It's quite funny being in Sydney compared to in country areas. I can sit here right in the middle of Parramatta Square recording a video. No one even looks at you sideways. No one even bats an eyelid. It's crazy. No, I'm just thinking.
Movie.
No, it's all good.
I'm broke.
And they try and give you stuff. Hot honey, perfect amount of spice. It is really good. Really, really good. Chicken is delicious. It's crunchy on the outside. Absolutely love it. Compare this to spending $9.90 at KFC or McDonald's. This place is so much better, so much better. It's only a snack, but it's only $9.95. It's all gone. Let's make sure this is a wipe, and we'll give this a score out of 10. Value for money, $9.95. I'll give it an 8 out of 10 all day long. For taste, it's a 9.5 easily. It should probably be 10. It is really good, really fresh, really delicious. Absolutely love it. I would definitely go again. I actually feel like coming back here next time and trying a few of the other flavours and a few of the other meals. Now, if you've been to this place, leave a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts of this place were. Have you been there? Would you go there again? Do you think it's good value for money? In the meantime, if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favour, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and bye for now. All gone. See you in the next video.